A brand called Sayabling has been so kind to send me some of the jewelry, and I am going to tell you guys a bit about them. But let's start by opening up this cute package. Just like look how cute this packaging is. Like, okay, so I'm going to start by opening it. And when you open it, like you get these two cards, just like cute, I don't know, like these cute cards, and then they like give you advice on how like take care of your jewelry and like discount codes and like appreciating your order. And like look at this, guys. There are two jewelry products in here. I'll show you guys like close-ups in a minute. So the packaging is so pretty. Like look at this. It literally, like each set piece of jewelry comes in like this type of box, and it's so pretty. Like it's so soft too. So I'm gonna open it up. This is the necklace. Like look at that, guys. That is so pretty. So I got a necklace, and then I also got a bracelet, and I absolutely love both of these jewelry pieces. Like look at this. Like this is the bracelet. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. Like this is what the necklace looks like from up close, and the diamonds are really shiny, especially in person. Like it's a little less shiny on camera, but it's super shiny, and the quality is really good of these products. And this is the bracelet from up close, and just like look at that shine, guys. Like the bracelet and the necklace, like the quality of these are also like really good. So if you want to invest in like good quality necklaces and like bracelets, I would definitely go check out their website. I just put my hair up, and I'm gonna show you guys the products like while I'm wearing them. So this is what the bracelet looks like when I'm wearing it. This is 6.3 inches, and it's literally so pretty. Like look at the diamonds, guys. It's literally so shiny, and it's so pretty. Like this with like any outfit is gonna like make it look so pretty. And the necklace, guys, look at that, you guys. And Sayabling does ship worldwide, so if you want to order it, I do have their link in my bio, and I also have a discount code for you guys to use if you want to order off of their website. And their products are so pretty, guys. Like I'm almost I'm literally mumbling right now. Like I don't know what to say. Like it's just like so pretty. Like just look at this. Like if you guys definitely have to go check out their website. Like their products are so pretty, and there are like so many different colors and like styles of jewelry. Like it's honestly insane. Like it's so, all of them are so pretty. I could not choose, but I went for like these ones because I know that I wear like basic kind of jewelry, so I chose these ones. And this is what it looks like up close. Like just look at that. Like just look at that shine, and the bracelet too. Oh wait, it's out. Like just look at that. So yeah, if you guys want to go order from their website, make sure to check out in my bio their link, and I do have discount code for you guys, so make sure to use that. And I just want to say thank you to Sayabling for reaching out to me, and